So recently, we encountered a very bad clogged nozzles on our 3D printer. As you can see in these images, even removing the silicone cover from the hot end, it is filled with hardened filament. So how we resolved the issue was, first, removing whatever existing filament from the 3D printer, remove the Z-axis as high as possible and the X-axis to the center of the printer. Next, from the control panel of your printer, we do an extrusion of the filament. While the nozzle is heating up, we use a tweezer to remove all the hardened filament from the hot end. After removing the hardened filament, this is the end result as shown in the picture. We then put back our silicone cover on the hot end and was able to print using the printer again. So this is how you clear the clogged nozzles on your 3D printer.